In this video, I'll be showing how to make or remove the pattern of this amazing CHUKA boot displaying on your screen right now. So please, before we do that, I know if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, give me a like, copy the link and share on your social media platforms, on Instagram, on TikTok, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Tweets, or X, on Snapchat, anywhere, on Telegram. Please share. All right, from wrapping our shoe last, of course you have to make a choice of shoe last that you want to use to make your own CHUKA boots. Wrap it up with your masking tape. All right, then get your midline using your pen. Please, if you are a learner, I always stress that you shouldn't use pen. Get a pencil and an eraser to create your pattern so that you'll be able to correct yourself when you have mistakes. I'm not there with you, so if you have mistakes, if you have some curves that are not straight or some lines that are not straight enough, you can also clean up. So always use pencil and eraser. Okay, don't use pen. All right, I'm your boy, I'm also your teacher, I'm your friend, I'm your mentor, Cherry. Okay, so welcome to my channel at ABC Shoes, where I teach you how to make amazing shoes for yourself, your family, and for business purposes. Okay, so here we continue now. Once you're done tracing out your midpoints and carving out your quarter pattern, just like the shoe you're seeing here on top of the table, this is a CHUKA boot, okay, with laced up kind of vamp. All right, so once you're done creating that, now the other shoe I want to create, I don't want the front to be that's plain. Like, what I mean by the front is the vamp side. So I'm trying to create a Brooks kind of pattern or cut or curve around the vamp. Okay, so we'll be having another design. From the first picture you saw, you see that there is a partition of Brooks design on the frontal parts, that's the vamp. So that is the pattern I just created. Okay, so from there you use a cutter to cut. Now this is what I was saying, this is plain, but the other one we are creating now, it's not plain. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, ask your questions if there's any question at all. Okay, so if there is any question, use the comment section to ask me questions. Okay, so from cutting, now you're cutting, cut along your tracing line, don't forget that. All right, shout out to Mr. Abdul Kalami from Sierra Leone multi-system. We're still cutting. Please support my channel growth by subscribing, copy the link, share on your social media platforms, give me a thumbs up. Please support my channel. I'm still in need of other machines to work with. If you check very well, it's all about shoemaking, and also it's been hand. Most of the things we do here is hand sketching and handmade, so we are still in need of so many machines in our workshop. So if you really want to support us, please do that, whether naira or in dollar or in whatever currency. My details are displaying on the screen, dollar accounts and also naira accounts. And if you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, you can do that. If you're blessed and you really want to bless my work or support my dreams, okay, please reach out to me using my number displaying on your screen. Okay, so let's continue. Now we're still laying our vamp. Now remember, this vamp is divided into two, the first partition and the second, which I'm laying now. Now the first partition does not have any addiction, but the The second partition of the vamp is where the quota will be climbing the vamp, and also the first partition will climb that same second partition. So from the front we'll add an addition, alright, additional space where we'll be having the overlay, and also to the inside where the quota will be climbing, also you have to add sewing allowance. Now this is a lasting allowance added to the down part. Okay, what I mean by lasting allowance is where those parts of the shoe that will enter under the shoe last. Okay, that's what I mean. So I hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure to subscribe. Okay. I'm detaching my quota. Please subscribe. One love Africa, one love Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Guinea Conakry, Guinea-Bissau, Senegal, Gambia, Equatorial Guinea, Ghana, South Africa, Tanzania, Cape Verde, just everywhere. Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, my country. I love Rwanda. God bless Rwanda. God bless Africa. God bless Sierra Leone. God bless Niger, Cameroon, Chad. Everywhere. God bless Nigeria. God bless Plateau States. Now we have the vamp. We have the lasting allowance, the vamp. We have the tongue added to it. Okay, we have the overlay allowance, sewing allowance. So we cut along the tracing line. So cutting. Respect to King Selassie. One love. Rasta never die. Yeah, man. There's a land far, far away. Yeah. Big up. So we have the vamp, the first partition and the second. From there we create, we place quota, place a quota, add our lasting allowance, then get to trace, join the quota, to the vamp, then we stitch. It's amazing. Shoemaking is one of the job you do with ease. Just create your pattern, get to assemble them and stitch. Yeah. Shout out Mr. Abdul Kilami. And if you're learning from us, God bless you. If you're supporting us by watching, God bless you. One love, everybody. One love, Nigeria, Rwanda, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, North America, South America, Europe, everywhere. One love, the peace of God. the love of Christ be with your heart, everywhere. Just make sure you just being a nice person, a good man, a good woman, a good boy, a good girl. Just whoever you are, a good day. You understand? One love. Thanks for watching. Shoemaking. I hope you love this music. Yeah, reach out to me 09035539885 on WhatsApp. Make sure you love and like my video. Make sure you subscribe. One love. Just one love. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Amazing things we do here. Please support. Just support me in cash, in kind, in your words and your comments, your like, your subscribe, your share. Anything you do, it's just a way to support my channel. God bless you. I love you. I don't take you for granted. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. One love. Bye.